Welcome back to Electric Glide TV. In today's video, we're heading into the mountains with the electric unicycle to explore what makes this ride so unique and challenging. From preparation to performance, we'll break down the uphill and downhill experience, share safety tips, and talk about what it really takes to ride in high-altitude terrain. Whether you're a seasoned EUC rider or just curious about mountain riding, this video is for you. Let's glide into it. Before you hit the mountain roads on your electric unicycle, preparation is key. High altitude and steep terrain bring unique challenges, so here are a few essentials you should never skip. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially at higher elevations where you can get dehydrated faster. Advil or pain relief, just in case you get a headache or muscle soreness from the altitude or the ride. Tire pressure check. Always check your EUC's tire pressure when you arrive at the mountain. Changes in altitude can affect your tires, and proper pressure means better control and safety. Warm jacket. Temperatures can drop quickly in the mountains even if it's warm at the base. Bring a warm jacket to stay comfortable and safe. Protective gear. Helmet, wrist guards, knee and elbow pads. Never ride without them. Snacks or energy bars. For longer rides, keep your energy up. Phone and emergency contact info. Always let someone know your route. A little preparation goes a long way. Before you even start riding, take a moment to check in with yourself and your gear. Know your limitations. The EUC has limits, and so do your skills. Understand what your device can handle and what you are ready for. Mountain roads can be unpredictable and pushing beyond your comfort zone, especially in traffic or on steep terrain, can be dangerous. Ride smart, ride within your limits. Climbing a mountain on an electric unicycle is a unique adventure that tests both your machine and your skills. Here's what makes the uphill journey so special. Power and torque. Mountain-ready EUCs, typically weighing 80 pounds or more, are built for steep climbs. Their powerful motors deliver instant torque, letting you tackle sharp inclines with confidence. You'll feel the wheel respond immediately as you lean forward and accelerate up the slope. The sensation of climbing under your own balance and control is both empowering and exhilarating. Efficiency and battery management. Uphill riding is where battery management becomes crucial. Steep grades will drain your battery faster, so it's important to monitor your charge and pace yourself. Many EUCs offer real-time battery readouts. Use them to plan your ride and avoid surprises. Riding efficiently means finding a steady rhythm, not pushing full throttle the whole way up. Maneuverability and line choice. Mountain roads and trails are rarely straight or smooth. On an EUC, you can pick your line, weaving around rocks, potholes, or debris. If you encounter a rough patch, you can slow down, adjust your stance, or even step off and walk for a moment. This flexibility gives you more control and safety on unpredictable terrain. Physical engagement. Climbing isn't just about the wheel, it's about you. Your legs, core, and balance are constantly engaged, especially on long or steep climbs. You'll feel the burn, but you'll also feel a deep connection to the ride and the environment. It's a workout, a challenge, and a thrill all in one. Altitude and environment. As you climb, you'll notice the air getting thinner and cooler. Hydration and pacing become even more important at higher elevations. The changing scenery, shifting light, and crisp mountain air make every climb memorable. Be prepared for sudden weather changes. Mountains can surprise you. Tire pressure and traction. One small adjustment can make a big difference. Letting out a little air from your tire before the climb can improve traction. Lower pressure increases the contact patch, helping your EUC grip better on loose or uneven surfaces. Just don't go too low. Find the balance between grip and rim protection. Tips for a successful climb. Pace yourself. Don't rush. Steady, consistent speed is key for battery life and control. Shift your weight. Lean forward on steeper sections to help the wheel maintain traction. Take breaks. Rest, hydrate, and enjoy the scenery. High altitude can tire you out faster than you expect. Check your gear. Make sure your tire pressure, battery, and protective equipment are all in top shape before you start. Adjust tire pressure. Slightly lower pressure can improve grip, but always stay within safe limits. Climbing mountains on an EUC is about more than just getting to the top. It's about the journey, the challenge, and the freedom you feel with every turn of the wheel. Coming down the mountain, the challenge changes. Control your descent. Don't let gravity take over. Use regenerative braking if your EUC supports it, but don't overheat your system. Keep your weight centered and your focus sharp. Take it slow on sharp turns or loose gravel. Downhill riding is a test of control and awareness. Thanks for joining this mountain ride on Electric Glide TV. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future rides, tips, and adventures. Drop a comment below to share your own EUC experiences or ask questions. We love hearing from the community. And if you know someone who's into electric unicycles or mountain riding, share this video with them. It really helps the channel grow. This is Electric Glide TV. Explore, ride, capture.